Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today I'm doing a tutorial on the Mandalorian collection. So this collection includes 2 eyeshadow palettes, Luxe Lip Oil Duos, a hand mirror, and a makeup bag, which is so adorable. Simple, love it. Here is the hand mirror. Look at that cute little face. Just a round circular mirror. For the lip duos, we have Djarin, not sure if I'm saying that correctly. So, Djarin and Grogu. Which I'm not sure you can see that on there, but it's just a nice, shiny, glittery lip oil. I'm actually gonna put Djarin on my lips. Just a nice little lip oil. There you go. Has a slight tint to it, and I like it. And for the eyeshadow palettes, we have the Child Palette and the Mandalorian Palette. I already do have the Child Palette. I did get this over a year ago. So for this palette, I'm actually going to do a giveaway, so make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can find out how to enter. For the videos that I do have up on my channel already, I don't think I swatched them, so I will swatch it this time around, but I'm not going to do a look with this palette this time around. But here we go. Here is the Child Palette, and I do already have it swatched here. I don't know how well you can see it, but we have Precious Cargo, Right Hand Mando, Just Like a Tatooine, Sipping Soup, Baby Face, The Force, Little Frog, Float Your Crib, and Droid Protocol. So that is the Child Palette, and I will leave my video up here. If I can figure out how to do that, I will try to do that. And now we have the Mandalorian Palette. This is like complete opposite colors of the Child Palette, and I love it. Alright, and for the Mandalorian Palette, we have Beskar Steel, Navarro Sand, Bantha Tracks, Imperial Credits, Clan of Two, Tatooine Glimmer, Mythosaur, This Is the Way, and Creed. Clan of Two, when you swatch it, it's like a duochrome. Kind of brownish duochrome, but in the palette it looks kind of like a dark gray. But it's definitely duochrome. You can kind of see in certain lighting too, it kind of looks greenish. So that's it for all the swatches. So far I like the lip oil, it feels really nice. So let's just get into a look. And I wanted this video to be pretty quick and easy, so I've already done most of my makeup except for my eyes. My eyes are already primed. I'll put my bangs back though and zoom me in. Really want to use Navarro Sand and Clan of Two. I'm gonna go with Bantha Tracks first. I'll put that in my crease. Go a little bit higher than my crease because I am wanting to take that yellow Navarro shade, or Navarro Sand shade. Goodness, in my crease too, I think. I'll go up a little higher on this. Now I'm gonna go with Navarro Sand, and I'm gonna go more precisely in my crease. That is a gorgeous color, oh my gosh. I really like that. Now I'm gonna go with Clan of Two. I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna put it on my lid. I'm gonna take that brush that I use with Navarro sand and just kind of blend those two colors together. Now I'm gonna take Creed and go on my outer corner. I'm also going to take Creed on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Navarro sand and blend it in with Creed. I'm going to take Imperial Credit on my inner corner for my inner corner highlight. I'm going to bring it up and in. I'm going to take this eyeliner by Bodyography in Black Walnuts and put it in my waterline. And then I'm just going to add some mascara by Lily Lashes in black. Alright, that's it for this collection, and here's the final look that I created with the Mandalorian palette. I absolutely love that Navarro sand shade, that yellowy gold, yellowy orangey color. I love it. I think this look is so simple and easy, and it turned out great. ColourPop is one of my favorite makeup brands. Most of my makeup is ColourPop, so I always love their eyeshadow palettes and their makeup. Their eyeshadow blends so easily, amazing. So if you made it this far into the video and you want to have a chance to win the child palette, if you're watching this on YouTube, hit like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below your Instagram or Facebook handler so I can direct message you. And if you're watching this on Facebook, go to my YouTube channel and do that same thing. And then I will direct message the winner. This is my first YouTube giveaway, so hopefully that'll work out really well. Anyway, until next time, bye.